Study electrical computer engineering with me at the University of Massachusetts Amherst. Here, we learn by doing in high-tech spaces. We have a nationally recognized lab that focuses on microwave sensing technology and a National Science Foundation Engineering Research Center. We can specialize in subjects like AI and quantum mechanics by selecting a concentration. Right now, I'm getting internship experience with our field experience concentration. Ready to build prototypes to show future employers? We can apply our knowledge in the electrical computer engineering M5 makerspace. Studying here, I'm confident that what I learn in the classroom will translate to the workplace. As a UMass engineering graduate, I'm joining a network of game changers and industry leaders. You can find our engineering alumni behind the design and development of nearly every Apple product, inducted in the National Academy of Engineers, and working at NASA headquarters. High-profile university, high-profile careers.